And Campion College are the ISSA Urban Area Under-14 basketball champions after defeating St. George's College in a closely contested affair which went into overtime on a Thursday at Jamaica College. At the end of the first quarter, Campion were trailing St. George's 8-10. The Campionites got to within 1 point at half-time, with St. George's still leading 19-18. The third quarter ended in a tie at 26 apiece, and the deadlock couldn't be broken at the end of regular time, with the teams knotted at 35 all. Campion then managed to eke out the win, outscoring St. George's College 11-10 in the extra period for a 46-45 triumph. MVP Richard Layton led the way with 18 points and 5 rebounds. He was supported by Lance Williams, 7 points and 9 rebounds.
As a team, as a whole, we're tired for this win. It means a lot because last year we tried to win and we lost to the same team, George's, in the same moment, and it means a lot.
The thrill of the victory was evident in the sentiments of coach Ryan Martel.
It was more than a fantastic game. We could use several other adjectives to describe it. We are happy, we are elated, we are excited. This is a victory that is a sweet one. This is the second time in this round we are actually beating George's, and we are happy for that because last year at this time they were the ones with the victory. And so this is something like a payback for me. They fought well. When we started, the game was close, but coming down the stretch, we knew that our team had more depth than George's, and we demonstrated that today. It could have gone any other way, but we're happy that the good Lord shine on us, and we're happy for that.
Joshua Thomas led the scoring for St. George's College with 12 points, and their coach Clifford Brown says basketball was a winner on the day.
It's a pity that we came out on the losing end after such a wonderful game. I think the youngsters from both teams played excellent basketball at under 14 level, and we would say that Jamaica basketball is in good hands when you look at these kids. Nevertheless, Campion got the edge and they won the game by 1 point, and I say kudos to them, you know.
Wolmer's beat KC 39-30 to take third place in the curtain raiser.